I've been absolutely obsessed with analyzing YouTube's cloud mining content lately, and last night I went through probably 95 videos or something, everything from beginner-friendly tutorials to elite expert methods about mining Ethereum without owning physical mining rigs. And what's honestly frightening is this pattern that keeps repeating everywhere. I'm seeing easily like 97% of these videos promoting obvious scam platforms, apps with completely fabricated profit dashboards, services with absolutely zero blockchain verification they're actually mining anything. I'm consuming all this thinking, man, these creators just don't care about verifying what they promote. I genuinely became cynical about whether trustworthy cloud mining exists at all because the entire space seems infected with fraud. But yeah, I discovered ArcMine roughly 4 months ago, and honestly, it's still the only platform I genuinely trust and recommend. Like, I've tested it extensively, withdrawn successfully multiple times, verified their legitimacy from every angle, and it's consistently delivered without issues.
All right, so let me walk through this so you see the complete process. Opening any browser and typing arcmine.io. Okay, cool. I'm on the site, first clicking Start Mining. So I'm selecting Ethereum here, though the platform actually handles mining for basically every major cryptocurrency out there. Bitcoin, Solana, BNB, Tron, all the top options. But ETH is what I'm going with now. Okay, hitting Continue now. Nice. So here I need to add my receiving address. So switching to my wallet app, copying address, back to the app, and pasting it right here. Good. Next, I'm setting hash rate, power, and mining speed. Basically, these controls determine how much processing power gets dedicated to mining and how fast it processes. But here's the thing, this directly impacts my costs. So if I push these higher, I'll mine crypto faster, but the fees increase proportionally. So this looks good. Okay, next, I'm entering my target amount. This shows how much crypto I want to mine, the dollar equivalent, and the estimated time frame. All right, so now I'm launching the mining operation, and perfect, it's running. All the metrics are right here. Countdown timer, allocated power, efficiency rates, everything's visible. Let's give this a second.
And yeah, I've successfully mined tokens. Now I can withdraw it. But important detail, the platform requires the infrastructure fee paid before processing any withdrawal. It's all detailed right here. So here's the energy expenditure, here are the server clusters that handle the work, plus network transaction costs. And yeah, crucial to remember, the minimum infrastructure fee for using their resources is always $30 baseline. So factor that into your calculations. Complete transparency. So I'm copying this address, one moment. Back to the app, clicking I've sent the payment, and just waiting for the system to process. So while the transaction's confirming and I'm waiting for the coins to arrive, let me break this down for you. In 2026, the cloud mining sector is absolutely dominated by scam operations targeting anyone interested in crypto, right? And here's the harsh reality most people don't talk about. Probably 98% of cloud mining platforms are complete scam. Like, they're not even mining, they're just Ponzi schemes, paying early users with new deposits until they collapse and disappear. What makes ArcMine different is verifiable legitimacy that you can actually test yourself. Scams make withdrawing difficult or impossible. They'll create endless obstacles. Verify your identity again. Deposit more to unlock your balance. System maintenance that lasts weeks and so on. They keep increasing. I've withdrawn from ArcMine 9 times over the last month. Every single withdrawal processed within minutes. Zero games, zero excuses, zero delays. Diversify your approach. Don't put everything into cloud mining, even if the platform's legitimate. Maybe allocate 20% to mining, keep 50% in direct Bitcoin purchases, 30% in other crypto investments or traditional assets. Diversification protects you from any single point of failure. And reinvest strategically. I personally withdraw 75% to cold storage, reinvest 25% into new contracts. Find what works for your risk tolerance. Always stay skeptical. Even though I trust ArcMine based on 3 months of consistent performance, I never get complacent. I verify every withdrawal, I monitor their operational transparency, I watch for any changes in how it operates. So yeah, links in the pinned comment and description. Peace out.